Former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo is now off the hook in two major cases. Albany's district attorney announcing he will not prosecute Cuomo for allegedly groping a former aide. And just yesterday, Cuomo's lawyer said the Manhattan DA's office had closed its investigation of nursing home COVID deaths. Brittany Camiso had accused Cuomo of groping her breast at the governor's mansion. The sheriff filed a criminal complaint, but today the district attorney said he would be unable to prove the case in court, even though he thought the accuser was credible. Camiso's attorney released a statement saying, quote, "My client had no control over the filing or prosecution of criminal charges. The only thing she has any power over is her resolution to continue to speak the truth and seek justice in an appropriate civil action, which she will do in due course." Cuomo has repeatedly denied any wrongdoing, saying he has never touched anyone inappropriately. Let's bring in Brendan Lyons. He's the managing editor of investigations and the Capitol Bureau chief for the Chimes Union in Albany. Welcome. The sheriff originally said he was confident Cuomo would be prosecuted. So how did this fall apart?
Well, today the district attorney, as you know, or yesterday actually, they met with Brittany Camiso at their office in a meeting that went on for almost 5 hours. And they went through with her in great detail what some of their concerns were with the evidence that they felt would be hard to overcome and prove beyond a reasonable doubt. Ms. Camiso does not agree with that decision. And just late this afternoon, she gave us a statement indicating that she felt re-victimized and that this will dissuade others from coming forward, and that it seems many times these cases are never leveled as criminal charges or criminal prosecutions against people in power.
You got a statement from her. Was there any further conversation you've been able to have?
Yes, just that she was upset with the outcome. And she had indicated, too, that one of the concerns they had was that when she made the statement to the governor, as she described it, saying, "You're going to get us in trouble," that was before, she said, he slammed the door to his office and then returned, grabbed her and groped her breast. She said that they indicated that could look to jurors as if she was acquiescing to his aggressive behavior. But the thing where that falls apart a little bit is that the governor doesn't agree with that any of this happened. He's not saying that he was sexually aggressive with her or hugged her. He's denying that any of it happened. So she's uncertain why that assertion on their part would raise concerns for them.
Interesting. So on the nursing home scandal, Cuomo isn't completely out of the woods, right? The FBI is still looking into that one?
As far as we know, the last thing we had reported was that in late summer, the former state health commissioner, Howard Zucker, was interviewed by the U.S. Attorney's Office and the FBI. That would seem to be something they would do at the culmination of a long investigation. The difference in this case, Cuomo has had district attorneys conclude their investigations and announce the end of their investigations and that they're not going forward with criminal charges. The Justice Department, as you know, doesn't always do that. And many people wonder, is that case just something that died on the vine and we'll never hear whether or not there was any charges considered in that case?
Wow. Brendan Lyons, thank you for your time tonight. We appreciate it.